Open my bag, look inside. So many things I keep with pride. Book and pencil, shiny and new. Crayons and ruler, red and blue. Eraser, small and notebook, neat. Learning with them is such a treat. Lunchbox, yummy food, so nice. Sandwich, fruit and juice with ice. Water bottle, sip, sip, sip. Take a drink and take a trip. Sharpener spins round and round. Tiny pencil shavings on the ground. Color crayons, big and bright. Make my drawings fun and light. My school bag helps me every day to learn new things and laugh and play. Pack it up and zip it tight. Everything is packed just right. Off to school I go today with my school bag. Hip, hip, hooray!